There you go. That one? That holds it in place? Ah, very interesting. Very nice. Okay. So then we'll plug it in for you. I'll get it. Or you want to do it?
I can't really plug it in. Wait, don't plug it in yet. I'm not close to it. What the heck?
What's that? Oh, that's telemetry. Here, hold on, let me see.
It's not letting me go to model.
Back. Wait, what happened?
We were doing a new model.
A new model?
Yeah.
Why? Oh, you were doing a new one. Okay. So this is called, here, you do it, you can find it. Avanti. You see it?
Is this Avanti?
That is Avanti. Main screen. And make sure the gear's down. Is the gear already down?
Is this gear down?
I don't know if it's down or up.
Well, I'll hold it.
Okay, so hold on to it. Ready? Alright. We need to put the sound in there. Does this talk?
Wait, Ray, could you lift it up?
Here, you take this, and then I'll lift it. Now you hit the gear. Okay. There we go.
I really like the doors, how they work.
So that goes that way. That way. So let's check your controls.
Is everything up?
I think so. So what changes did they make? Do you know?
Didn't you make the changes?
I didn't make changes. All I did was we flicked switches. So let's see. You can hold it. Okay, that looks like it's different.
Wait.
Oh, that's the same. Oh, that's different. Okay. We want it on low. Okay. All right.
Up, down, left, right.
Okay. And then, did they put exponential in there at all? Do you know? Expo. It helps. Well, you may not need it. You might be okay. So your flaps work. Yeah, well, I'll get it. There you go. God, it's perfect. Any way you want. Huh?
Well, I don't want to go. Okay, there's no way.
You can go any way you want. So Frankie, are you done? Let's wait for him to move. All right. Are you ready?
Can I take off? Yes, you may. Okay. Am I okay to take off now?
I think you are. Let's go.
Am I straight?
You look straight. Still a little bit more to your right, but I think you'll be okay. There you go. Let's go. Let's go. There you go. Pull up. You're good to go. When you hit the gear, you got it. You got it. Okay, good. How does it feel? Feels all right? It's not too jumpy, too touchy?
That's really good.
Good.
I'm just going to watch you guys if you don't mind.
Okay.
He's good with the jet.
Just has to get used to it. And we got it trimmed, so he's good now. So you like those settings better, huh? Okay. Good. All you, come on in.
Is he landing?
No, he's just flying. Frank, I think he's either landing or touch and go. No, he's landing.
I'm trying to get some skill and take off with the landing.
I added some expo in.
Good. Because he said he likes it the way it is right now.
You like it, huh? Good, perfect.
I think I have it in low rates.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice and stable, and brake trimmed it out perfectly.
How's it feel?
Yeah.
Good.
Okay, Jack, how about a loop?
Yeah.
No, why not? Stay up high,
Try a barrel
pick up
first.
speed, and just pull on the elevator.
Jack and Mitch McConnell have a lot of things in common in terms of conservatism.
McConnell and conservative just don't go together.
No,
How long does this
Jack,
take?
climb up.
it's just an opportunist.
Why don't we try it? Climb all the way up.
Hey, where's
Yeah.
Chris?
Climb up higher. Go higher.
Chris out
No.
there?
Let's
You can
go
do
lower.
it. You can do it, Jack. Come on.
Jack, you know I push you and you can do it.
All right.
You can
Kurt's
do
going
it.
out.
He's all right. He won't be in our way.
I also increased his timer by 1 minute.
Okay.
He had 70% left.
I know he
Jack,
barely
does
used
this have
barely
flaps?
used any throttle.
He
Yes, it
hardly
does.
ever goes on over half throttle.
Yeah.
I'm gonna bind up.
We got to get him to go. Maybe it's good that we don't, because when he does, he won't want to go slow.
Well, that's the whole idea.
Ooh.
Don't forget the flaps on landing.
The way you landed the last time, it was actually perfect,
It was
without
perfect,
flaps. You didn't even use them.
Well, you know what?
Okay.
Try mid flap.
The first
yeah,
level.
don't go full flap. Also, his full flap was vertical.
Yeah, so it'll make it
Reduced-
stop.
No, I
Yeah.
reduced it.
Okay, good.
Alright, Jack, I'm gonna take off from the left. Taking off left to right.
Jack, how about a roll?
No. You're good? Okay.
Come back high over the runway and do a roll.
Do a barrel roll. Hey, he's going full throttle. Look at that.
No, look at
Broke the switch. You've got over a minute. About a minute. The way you're flying though, Jack, you're fine on battery.
I think when the timer goes off, I think you put your gear down and land.
Yeah.
Touching down from
You'll have plenty.
Does this thing talk at all or no?
Yeah.
Okay, well we need to make it talk so you can hear. Of course, it's hard to hear with the lawnmower going in the background, but
How's that landing?
it was good.
I'm more scared landing in my How do I land?
Any direction you want because the wind's not really an
This is the
issue.
normal way you're going.
Yeah,
Come around and land from the back.
yeah.
Okay, gear down. Landing!
Landing left to right, but it's flat.
Oh, don't worry about flaps.
I'll give you half
Okay,
flap.
there you go. Going back around again.
You got half flaps now, okay? Go back around. Go straight a little bit. Go straight. Don't turn.
There you go.
Okay,
Now turn.
Now turn. Good. Cut power really high.
Power all the way off.
Out all the way up.
Just let it go. Don't worry about it. You'll be good.
Just let it kiss the ground.
There you go. You're good. The landing gear will soak up that. You're good. It's it. The nose pops off. That's okay. So I'll hold it.
All
You
right.
can go grab it. You want to go grab? Let's go. Come on. Come on.
Second time that happened.
Well, we know what not to do next time. So we need
No,
to.
not to land too late.
We need to. Well.
I'm kind of scared to be
Oh! It's wet. Walk around.
Okay, next time I'm going to land earlier so I'm not scared into doing that.
So the thing you got to remember too with the landing, when you kill the throttle, keep the nose down so that the plane's always got speed. And then once you're over the runway, then you start leveling out. Because if you come down to the runway like this and then hit like you did, it's going to bounce. So you just pop the nose gear off. Let's see if I see a little piece of foam. Is this from you? Yep, that's from you.
Wait, what's that?
Might be from the tail. This might be. Yeah, it's all right though. I think it's all right from the little tail on the very back. Yep.
Yeah.
So put the nose back on and let's go put it over there. There we go. We can put it back. Oh, come on. But with the jet, you shouldn't land with the throttle off because they bounce.
I know, but you said powerful.
I know, you went around too fast.
Well, you said to run.
I know. We'll get it. We had 3 people over there. Too many people. All right, so let's get that out. Bloop. Okay. Now you get the battery. You just flick this thing and pull it out. There you go. And we got to glue that back on. Unless you don't have to. If you don't care, we don't have to.
Can you help me, please?
Help you what?
Glue back